And ang daming nagtaas ng kamay. But this time, for our financial management class, I need volunteers specifically with an extra money. So sino po ba dito gusto maging volunteer with extra money? Naku po, paano ba yan? Ang bilis binaba ng mga kamay na tinaas kanina. But no worries with that because this is just for fun. So if you have any extra paper bill and amount will do, kindly fold your paper bill lengthwise, pahaba po like this one, hold it at the tip, and hold it as high as you can. Now once again, if you have any extra paper bill, any amount will do, kindly fold your paper bill lengthwise, pahaba po like this one, hold it at the tip, and hold it as high as you can. Now for all of my volunteers, kindly stand. Tayo po everyone, tayo po. And just a reminder lang po to all of my volunteers, so don't hold on too tightly on your paper bill so that our teacher bird can do something about it. And second, huwag po nating masyadong igalaw ang ating mga kamay para hindi po malito ang ating teacher birds this morning. Yes, this time we very true. Students of Malados Bird School, are you ready to meet our next teacher bird? Alright, that's the energy I've been looking for. So now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Teacher Waki and Teacher Peachy. Alright, so I think walang nakuha ngayon si Teacher Waki. So let's try to give another chance to Teacher Waki, everyone. So to all of my volunteers, tayo po everyone. And gentle reminder lang po to all of my volunteers. So don't hold on too tightly on your paper bill so that our teacher bird can do something about it. And second, huwag po nating masyadong igalaw ang ating mga kamay para hindi po malito ang ating teacher birds this morning. Now once again, I'd like to ask students of Malados Bird School, are you ready to meet again our next teacher birds? Alright, so now please help me welcome once again Teacher Waki and Teacher Peachy. Alright, so we have Teacher Waki with. Ayan, so naman si Teacher Waki. Our animal technician will try to check on Teacher Waki this morning. Well, and then we have Teacher Waki over there with 50 peso bill. Alright. Palakpakan naman natin si Teacher Peachy, everyone. Now, I think meron pa tayo isang Teacher Bird. Okay, we'll try to give another chance to Teacher Peachy, everyone. For all of our volunteers, we have Teacher Peachy over here with 50 peso bill as well. So to all of my volunteers, thank you so much. Ready na po kayo mga po. Unfortunately, we only have 2 teacher birds this morning. Now, I'd like to ask, kaninong pera po ba yung nakuha ni Teacher Waki and ni Teacher Peachy? Naku po ma'am, sir, tingnan niyo raw po kung anong gawin ni Teacher Waki and ni Teacher Peachy sa perang nakuha nila. So, I send them everyone. Nakita niyo ba ang sir, pinasok ni Teacher Waki and ni Teacher Peachy sa bulsa ng ating animal technicians. Si Teacher Waki and si Teacher Peachy po yun, hindi po kami. But anyway, thank you so much, Ropo. And may you have more blessings to come. Now for our financial management class this morning, Teacher Waki will teach us kung ano ba raw dapat gawin kapag may extra money tayo. Now, for savings. Sige nga, Teacher Waki, ano nga dapat gawin kapag may extra money tayo? Now, savings at mag-travel na po tayo. And another one for travel. Travel na naman. And next one will be for shopping. And last one will be for shopping again. So, palakpak naman for Teacher Waki, everyone. So, for our financial management class this morning, we just like to remind everyone that it is okay to indulge ourselves once in a while. Mag-food trip, mag-travel, mag-shopping, there is really nothing wrong with that. But it is very important to save a part of what you earn because after all, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you... Again, it's about how much you guys say? Very good. So that's it for Teacher Waki and Teacher Pichi this morning. Can everybody please say bye, Teacher Waki?
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Teacher Pichi. And of course, bago raw po papasok si Teacher Waki and si Teacher Pichi sa classroom, ano nga ang dapat gawin Teacher Waki and Teacher Pichi? So I send them everyone. And of course, ibabalik naman na po ni Teacher Waki and ni Teacher Pichi ang perang nakuha nila. Because here in Malagos Garden Resort, we always give back what we take. So that's it for our financial management class this morning. Thank you so much everyone for being so participative. So for the next part of the class, I'd like to ask, aside from recess time, ano po ba yung favorite subject ninyo? I heard math, English, science, pero may narinig din ako lunchtime. Naku po, mamaya pa po yun. But you know what, this time, it's time to get physical because this time is play time. And for our play time, ladies and gentlemen, it's happy to our lovely and cute cockatoos, Rookie to say hello to everyone. And over there we have Rookie doing his signature dance move, the headband. Now for our PE time this morning, magpa-basketball showdown po ng ating mga players. But before that, magwa-warm up raw muna sila. Sige nga, ano nga ang warm up ninyo? Rookie papunta sa basketball court para lesser carbon emission and safe sa environment. So palakpak naman for Rookie and Kaka everyone. So tapos na po nakapag-warm up ang ating mga players. Ako po yung maging referee. Ano po ba yung kulang natin? Wala? Cheerers! So this side po, after this side, I want you all to cheer for Rookie. When I say let's cheer for Rookie, you would say, Rookie! Rookie! And this side naman after this side, I want you all to cheer for Kaka. When I say let's cheer for Kaka, you would say, Kaka! Kaka! So now, can I hear the cheer from the team Rookie?
Rookie! Rookie!
Naku, ang hina ng cheer ng team Rookie. Hindi pa naman mag-shoot ng bola si Rookie kapag mahina yung cheer. Now once again, with energy, can I hear the cheer from the team Rookie?
Rookie! Rookie!
Alright, how
Rookie!
about Team Kaka?
Kaka!
Naku, sa energy ng Team Kaka. Now I think everyone is ready. Players are ready. Get set. Play more. Let's cheer for our team.
Wala si Rookie madaugan, di ba? Daog na si Rookie!
4 points as well goes to Team Kaka. So the winner for the first round would be Team
Rookie!
Rookie. Congratulations, Team Rookie! Naku po, dito tayo sa losing team. Kuya Jeffrey, ano bang nangyari kay Kaka? Naku, sabi ni Kuya Jeffrey, mahina raw yung cheer. So lakasan ka natin, okay? So, Team Kaka, papayag po ba kayo na walang rematch? Naku, sabi ng Team Kaka, hindi raw. So for the second round, I think everyone is ready. Players are ready. Get set. Play ready.
Rookie! 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 Hala, mas sila ka! Hala! Rookie! 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 Hala! Hala! Hala, nadaog! Hala, nadaog! Nadaog si Kaka! Hala! Rookie gapon.
4 points as well goes to the Team Kaka. So the winner for the both rounds would be Team
Rookie.
Rookie. Congratulations, Team Rookie. Naku po, umikot pa kasi si Kaka, no? So let's